Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. This is 12 box case number 18. Pick your team. We have Anthony P. Giants, Bob K. Cubs, Phillies, Reds, Brandon S. Royals, White Sox, Chris G. Mariners, Chris V. Red Sox, Clifton K. Astros, Dustin K. Braves, Glenn W. Yankees, Hank V. Angels, Dodgers, John H. Rays, Kenny V. Cardinals, Rangers, Kevin R. D-backs, Twins, Matthew K. A's, Matthew C. Tigers, Mitchell H. Rockies, Patrick T. Pirates, Philip P. Guardians, Scott Y. Mets, Padres, Blue Jays, Suzanne P. Marlins, Ty W. Brewers, and Nationals, Troy L. Orioles. All right, here we go. Good luck. When I pull this bat knob, be sure to lift with your legs, not your back, all right? Here we go. Forrest was being a show off yesterday, so I've got some work to do here to upstage him. This is Yankees Jersey to 199, Yogi Berra. Nice Yogi. Phillies rookie auto to 299, Hans Kraus. And Braves auto to 175, Tom Glavine. Nice one, Braves. All right, next up we have Phillies Jersey to 399, Jim Thome. This is Cubs Bronze Ink auto to 25, Derek Lee. And Twins auto to 99, Josh Donaldson. Go Twins. All right, let's see a big hit here. There's Padres Jersey to 399, Joe Musgrove. Orioles Jersey to 399, Cedric Mullins. And Rockies rookie auto to 299, Ryan Vilade. Oh, I don't think Tier 1 is really wasteful on the packaging. That's Marlins auto to 99, Ivan Rodriguez. On the pristine, there's definitely some over packaging on that one.
Yeah.
A little bit, just a little. This is Yankees Jersey to 399, Randy Johnson. Orioles auto to 299, Trey Mancini. So smart. And Red Sox, 1/1, bat knob auto, JD Martinez. There you go. Congrats, Boston. Awesome hit, Chris V. I called it.
You started yelling, drop the keys.
That is awesome. Look at that bat knob. Has letters and numbers and scratches. The works. Everything you could want in a bat knob.
Just try and make a little bit more.
If you look at my box,
Oh,
so bat barrel / knob ratio for tier 1 this year, it is absolutely ridiculous.
I complain that Forrest gets all the good points.
Oh. He was just saying.
All right. Giants dual relic to 25. Brandon Crawford, 3-color patch and a jersey. There you go, Giants. Orioles auto to 299. Cedric Mullins.
30 over here.
There should be 180s. No? Oh, I think there's some over here, I think. Yeah. And Red Sox. More for the Red Sox. That is auto to 50. Roger Clemens. Yeah, you bet, Tony. Nothing?
Oh, yeah.
All right. This is Padres. Dual patch to 25. Fernando Tatis Jr. That's awesome. Congrats, Chris. That is Reds auto to 299. Jesse Winker. Some of those don't have results pages printed out.
Doesn't have to.
And Braves auto to 175. Dale Murphy. Don't forget to get a picture of that. I'll send it to Forrest just to make him suffer a bit.
And it's a Red Sox player, too, so
Yeah.
really rub it in.
Everybody, make sure you let Forrest know in the chat. He's doing personals over on the main channel tonight. Be sure to let him know how many bat knobs and barrels I pulled this year. You don't even have to know the number. I don't even know the number. I know it's a bunch.
Just make it up.
Yeah. There's Rays. Is that a bat relic? Yeah, bat relic to 399. Nelson Cruz. And Cardinals. Jersey to 249. Paul Goldschmidt. Go Cardinals. This is Cubs. Rookie auto to 299. Manuel Rodriguez. Braves auto to 99. John Smoltz. Glavine and Smoltz both in the same case. I do too, Patrick. Oh, yeah, there's a Dale Murphy, too. Forgot about that. That's Braves. Jersey to 399. John Smoltz. Dodgers auto to 299. Gavin Lux. Braves auto to 199. Austin Riley. Another hit for the Braves. And Cubs auto to 75. Ryan Sandberg. Nice hit, Cubs. This is Yankees Jersey to 399. Gleyber Torres. Dodgers auto to 299. Steve Garvey. He is so funny on Family Feud. That's Blue Jays jersey auto to 75. George Springer. Hank, they probably had a Hank cut auto on the checklist. This is Blue Jays jersey to 299, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Pretty good spread on hits too. We have a few teams that have loaded up on hits, but lots of teams on the board in this case. That's Cubs rookie auto to 299, Alfonso Rivas. And we did it, the trifecta. This is Braves auto to 50, Greg Maddux. There you go, Braves. Got a Dale Murphy, and then Smoltz, Maddux, and Glavine autos all in the same case. Now we just need a cut auto. Yeah, who had the Braves? Dustin K with the Braves.
Yeah.
A Ryan Klesko coming up next. Ron Gant, Ryan Klesko duel. That's Cubs jersey to 399, Wilson Contreras. Why don't they have Terry Pendleton autos? We need some Braves Terry Pendleton autos. That is Rangers rookie auto to 299, Yanni Hernandez. And Twins bronze ink auto to 25, Byron Buxton. All right. A great case. Let's see a big rookie auto now. Or a cut. I'll take a cut. There we go. This will be a fun hit recap. There's Red Sox jersey to 299, Rafael Devers. Guardians rookie auto to 299, Ernie Clement. And on the back, Dodgers auto to 299, Max Muncy. All right, that'll do it for the break. Give me just a minute and we'll do a hit recap. I know, right? Really tied the case together. Just one break left to fill up for the day. That is 21 Bowman Draft Jumbo, 2-box number 7 random teams. 10 to go in that. All right. Relics. We had Red Sox jersey to 299, Rafael Devers. That's Cubs jersey to 399, Wilson Contreras. Blue Jays jersey to 299, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Yankees jersey, 399, Gleyber Torres. Braves jersey, 399, John Smoltz. Cardinals jersey to 249, Paul Goldschmidt. Rays bat relic to 399, Nelson Cruz. Padres dual patch to 25, Fernando Tatis Jr. Giants dual relic to 25, Brandon Crawford. Yankees jersey to 399, Randy Johnson. Orioles jersey to 399, Cedric Mullins. Padres jersey to 399, Joe Musgrove. Phillies jersey to 399, Jim Thome. That's Yankees jersey to 199, Yogi Berra. All right, autos. We had Guardians rookie auto to 299, Ernie Clement. I know, right, Blake? Dodgers auto to 299, Max Muncy. Twins bronze ink auto to 25, Byron Buxton. Rangers rookie auto to 299, Yanni Hernandez. Braves auto to 50, Greg Maddux. Cubs rookie auto to 299, Alfonso Rivas. That's Blue Jays jersey auto to 75, George Springer. Dodgers auto to 299, Steve Garvey. Dodgers auto to 299, Gavin Lux. Braves auto to 199, Austin Riley. Cubs auto to 75, Ryan Sandberg. Braves auto to 99, John Smoltz. Cubs rookie auto to 299, Manuel Rodriguez. Reds auto to 299, Jesse Winker. Braves auto to 175, Dale Murphy. Orioles auto to 299, Cedric Mullins. Red Sox auto to 50, Roger Clemens. Orioles auto to 299, Trey Mancini. Marlins auto to 99, Pudge Rodriguez. Rockies rookie auto to 299, Ryan Valade. Cubs bronze ink auto to 25, Derek Lee. Twins auto to 99, Josh Donaldson. Braves auto to 175, Tom Glavine. Phillies rookie auto to 299, Hans Kraus. And the hit of the break. Red Sox, 1 of 1. Bat knob auto, J.D. Martinez. Congrats again, Red Sox. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have Prism iMac mixers coming up.